Christy Pemberton with Travel Inspired Food. And keep coming back. We have so many more shows for you. Please subscribe to our channel, Cafe Mocha Vibe. At Cafe Mocha Vibe, we are all about exploring the world around us, laugh, and love. And we love you. So hey, let's get to know each other. Let's explore the world around us, even our own backyard. And laugh and love. Bye everyone. Thank you so much for joining us today.